Professor Jyoti Agrawal, who are the coordinator of this course, and respected faculty members who are present here, and the students who are joining this course now, and they are starting their journey of pre-PhD coursework. No doubt it is an inaugural session, and when we talk about the orientation program, everyone has different ideas that what will happen in this particular program. I would like to congratulate these departments that they have organized this program of orientation, because when your orientation is clear, your journey will be very easy. And for this journey, you should be well prepared. The university has given 7 programs in the Bareilly College, as mentioned by the principal just now. तो ये फक्र का विषय है बरेली कॉलेज के लिए, and they are organizing these 7 courses now. Day before yesterday, I think Dr. Asthana called me that we are organizing a program, and for a teacher, it is always a privilege to interact with the students, and especially new students, because whenever we are interacting with the students, we feel energetic. हमें बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि नए बच्चों से मिलना, उनसे बात करना वास्तव में हमारे में एनर्जी देता है, और उस एनर्जी को हम यूज कर पाते हैं बाकी बच्चों से बात करने में. As my topic of the discussion was how to conduct the research and what about the pre-PhD coursework, and the word is very much clear, the pre-PhD. पहले ये pre-PhD coursework नहीं हुआ करता था, फिर यूजीसी ने pre-PhD coursework लॉन्च किया. कुछ जरूरत महसूस की गई होगी कि why we should have this coursework of 6 months before the start of PhD program, because earlier it was felt that the students are conducting the research, they are doing the research, but they are not getting the right path to reach on the conclusion.